Hi everyone, welcome to Remy's World. Today we are making a refreshing watermelon salad with feta cheese. It's a perfect dish for a hot summer day, or you can make it anytime you have watermelon in your house. And this is one of our favorite watermelon salad in the house. My family loves it, and it looks so pretty in the table, isn't it? On the counter, laid it out with red watermelon, add cucumbers, blueberries, your favorite thing to it, and here I'm going to share a very easy recipe that you can make instantly, and it doesn't take too much time also. So here I'm taking feta cheese cut into cubes, watermelon cut into cubes, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Then I'm going to take 1 whole lemon here, 1 teaspoon of red cayenne pepper. This is optional. If you want that little spice, you can add it, or it's completely optional. And honey, 1 tablespoon. So when we have the sweet watermelon and the salty feta cheese, this dressing that we prepared, the honey, it makes the feta cheese go sweet also. And here I'm popping little mint. I like to crush it a little for using it in our salad. So you can use a mortar and pestle, or just chop it finely and give it a little crush and use it in your salad. So here I'm taking it into a bowl. I've taken half of the watermelon here. It's very sweet watermelon, seedless I have picked, and add the feta cheese. Either you can crush it like this, crumble it, or you can add it like a dice. I like to crumble a bit of the feta cheese, and here we are adding the dressing. I'll mention all the ingredients used here in the description below, so you can later take the screenshot for that. So here we are adding the coarsely crushed mint leaves here. Next I'm going to add blueberry here. So here finely chopped, and arugula leaves you can add here, walnuts you can add to bring more variety to your watermelon salad. Now I'm adding blueberries. I've washed the blueberries and adding it to the watermelon salad. We can also add red onions to bring another flavor or taste to this salad. If you like, you can add onions also. So I'm transferring it to a bigger bowl and mix all the fruits together, and the toppings will nicely coat. You can season it with little salt or black pepper if you want, but I didn't add any salt here in this salad because we have the tangier taste of the lemon. Also, we have the feta cheese, which is already salty. So I have not added any salt, but if you, for your taste or liking, you can add salt and black pepper on top of it, and it's ready to be served. And there you have it, a refreshing watermelon salad with feta cheese. It's perfect for a summer BBQ or a light lunch, and enjoy with your family and friends. Every bite of this watermelon salad is refreshing, and it's packed with sweet and salty flavors. So this is the season of watermelon, and it's my absolute favorite. I love the sweet, cool, refreshing taste of this fruit so much that I add it to my, I make juices with it. My son loves it. He likes to have his own juice with mint leaves added to it. Even when it comes to watermelon, I do not mess around. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. The combination of watermelon salad with feta and blueberry and spinach and the zesty honey lime dressing sure bring everything together. I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know in the comments below what is your go-to recipe with watermelon, and what's your favorite thing to make with it. Do let me know in the comments below. See you again. Bye-bye and take care.